time for fun. Come along, we'll run in the sun. First he met a bunny small, hopping in the grass. Will you come and play with me? We'll have such a blast. Hop, hop, quack, quack, let's run around and not look back. Next he found a fluffy sheep, grazing by the hill. Join us in our games today, we'll play until we're still. Ba, ba, quack, quack, let's all go down the forest track. Then along came a friendly frog, sitting by the stream. Come and play along with us, it'll be a dream. Ribbit,